Welcome to ClearTask. If you need to type logical equations or Boolean expressions with overbars in Microsoft Word, here is the most efficient method to get it done. Start by opening your Word document and navigating to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look for the equation button on the far right, then click Insert New Equation. A dedicated typing box will appear on your page. Go ahead and type out your base expression. For instance, a plus b. To add the logical overbar, simply highlight the specific letters or the entire expression you want to cover. With the text highlighted, make sure you are in the Equation tab menu at the top, then click on Accent. From the drop-down options, choose Overbar. The bar will instantly apply directly over your selected text. If your equation requires a double overbar, the process is exactly the same. Highlight the text, return to the accent menu, and this time select double overbar. You can treat these equations just like normal text. If you need to make them larger or smaller, highlight the equation and adjust the font size from the Home tab so it matches your document's formatting perfectly. That is all it takes to write clean, professional Boolean expressions in Word. If this guide saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point tutorials.